How to make roasted carrots in an air fryer. Start with 12 ounces of frozen carrots. In a bowl, add the carrots and mix in 1 tablespoon of olive oil, half a tablespoon of roasted garlic powder, half a tablespoon of black pepper, or adjust to taste, as I like black pepper, and salt to taste. Mix well until all of the carrots are evenly coated. Preheat air fryer to 380 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the carrots in the air fryer. Cook at 380 degrees Fahrenheit for 14 minutes. Mix halfway at 7 minutes as carrots were frozen in the beginning. The carrots, which I use minimal ingredients, will come out yummylicious. If you're enjoying this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow.